This is showing the turgor movement, how that mimosa, you see how it curls up in response to turgor pressure. Now, circadian rhythms, these are biological rhythms within a 24-hour cycle. And animals also have circadian rhythms, and they are pretty persistent. It depends on light and dark, and it's your biological clock. Plants have this as well. You can see the prayer plant that I mentioned a while ago up in the top figure. You see in the morning how the leaves are opened, but at night you see how they close up, and same thing with the morning glory. In the morning you see how it opens up, it's really pretty, and then at night you see how it closes up. That's a response, a circadian rhythm response. There are also biotic or living things in their environment that can cause a plant to respond. Herbivores, parasites are always constantly after our plants. There are some defenses they have. They have an epidermis that has a cuticle covering it, and they also have bark. That's going to help keep the herbivores and parasites away. There are primary metabolites like the sugars and amino acids that are responsible for the normal workings of the cell. But then the secondary metabolites that are present could be tannins in the epidermis and leaves, or alkaloids that make them taste bitter, or cyanogenic glycosides that will actually break down into cyanide if it's eaten. They have wound responses where they can actually, the response of the wound, it actually destroys the enzymes, digestive enzymes of the predators. They also have hypersensitivity responses, like they have a gene that'll bind to a certain virus or bacteria or a fungus so that it can be recognized, like the cells in our immune system do. And there are indirect defenses, like there are hormones that will keep caterpillars into metamorphosizing, into adults, keep them from becoming adults. And then there are mutualistic relationships with other animals. The ants that are on the acacia tree, the tree provides nutrients for the ants, but the ants provide defense for the plant.